Alright everyone, welcome back to Learning Hacks. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to add up decimals. How we're going to add up decimals. Before I begin, I want to say drop a like, drop a sub, do all that YouTube cheesy stuff. It really does help me out. I love seeing new subscribers, people liking the video. It really is helpful. So if you do it, just know that I really do appreciate it and it's awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, so adding decimals. Very simple. Once you kind of remember how to do it, it's going to be cake. Okay, you'll have no problem doing it. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to rewrite our problem vertically. All right, so I have 54.42 plus 3.26. Well, let's go ahead and rewrite that vertically, but the main thing I need to pay attention to is that I need to line up my decimals. All right, so I'll write this down here. Okay, I'm just writing it down normally. Now, I have to line up my decimals. So I'm going to put, just to show you, I'm going to put a decimal point right there. Okay, and I'm going to build my second number around it. So I'm going to have 3, 2, 6. Okay, see how they're lined up on one another? Your teacher may explain it a different way, but we're probably doing the same thing here. Little did you know, you've technically been lining up decimal points your whole life when you add up a number. You just didn't know that they were there. All right, so we lined it up, and now let's go ahead and add this dude up. All right, and then your teacher may want you to just start the problem out by bringing the decimal point down. They even may draw a line to really reinforce that. That's fine. That's all well and good. And then you can kind of forget about the decimal point and just add it up normally. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 4 would be 6. We already brought our decimal point down, but if you didn't bring it down, you should bring it down now. Just bring it straight down. 3 plus 4, that would be 7. Then 5 plus nothing would be 5. So the answer will be 57.68. So what did we do? We just lined up the decimal point. All right, let's take a look at another one here real quick. Let me line this up for you. So I like to give students a real wacky problem like this. I think they may like it. So I didn't write this to show you how I'm going to set it up specifically. So I copied down the number, the bigger number, I'm going to put it on top. Now, how do I line this thing up when it's so goofy and long? I just have one number in the ones place, and I have a bunch of numbers on the tail. Well, it really doesn't matter. I will put my decimal point right there. Oof, looks like a comma. All right, and I'm going to construct or to kind of assemble my number around the decimal point that I had. So I'll put a 7 there, and I'll just fill in the rest of this like so. 8, 5, 6, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so clearly it's goofy looking, okay? There's no way to get around that. It's pretty goofy looking. Now, your teacher probably will not give you one like this. I'm just giving you kind of a dramatic example. That way you can see that you really do need to line up the decimal point. It doesn't matter about shifting the number where, you know, in this case, the 3s would line up or the 7s would line up. It's all about the decimal point, okay? All right, and then let's go ahead and add this bad boy up. Boom. Make that a little bit better for you. There we go. Perfect. Okay, now add it up like normal. Okay, well, 3 plus nothing is 3. 1 plus nothing is 1. 2 plus nothing is 2. 6 plus nothing is 6. Now, notice how my place values or my numbers are lined up pretty well. If you shift it to the right or to the left, there's a decent chance you'll get the problem wrong. So make sure your number is lined up correctly and you have it written neatly as well. Oh, I forgot to go ahead and bring my decimal point straight down. You don't have to. Your teacher may want you to do it before or after. I like doing it before. All right, so 3, 1, 2, 6. See, mine aren't even all lined up as well as they could be, but hey, it's okay. It's the first video I filmed this morning. Give me a little bit of grace here. All right, 5 plus 3, that would be 8. Okay, then we have 2 plus 8. Well, that would be 10, and I carry it, or I add it up, just like any other addition problem, okay? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 7 would be 13. That would be 5, and that would be 6. And I already brought my decimal point down, so I am in business. So what's the trick here? Just line up the decimal point. That's really all it is. Pretty straightforward. Your teacher may want you to do different steps, flip-flopped here and there, but it's all the same. Okay, well, hope you liked this video. If you did, drop a like, drop a sub, do all that YouTube cheesy stuff. Really is helpful. I greatly appreciate it. Hope this helps you. Yeah, have a good one. Bye.